Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: TV on, remote ready, and Wi-Fi active so downloads and cloud images work. Press Home, then choose Settings gear icon at the top. This opens System Preferences. Once in Settings, move directly to Personalization or Wallpaper. Some models group it under Display or Home Screen. This gets you to the Wallpaper Management area, where you can pick default images, online galleries, or your USB photos. Make sure you're using the TV's main account for access to themes and downloads. Once inside the Wallpaper menu, choose the image source: preloaded themes, online gallery, USB drive, or cast from your phone. Select a candidate and use Preview to check framing, then crop and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 or auto so the image fits without stretching. If the TV offers motion or Ken Burns effects, toggle them based on preference because they change perceived sharpness. After adjustments, hit Apply or Set as Wallpaper so the system writes the change to the home screen immediately. Finish by confirming the wallpaper is applied and returning home to verify placement and clarity. If the image looks cropped or stretched, go back, recrop, or switch the aspect ratio and apply again. That fixes most alignment issues. If the wallpaper fails to set, try a quick restart of the TV, which clears temporary glitches, and check the source file. Use JPG or PNG and avoid very high resolutions that older models choke on. If problems continue, remove then reinsert the USB or re-download the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.